How's it going, everyone? Just want to kind of give you an update on this fence panels that we did some chemical testing on. It's been about a week, so I kind of wanted to show you guys what they're looking like, so let's check them out. Alright, this was done with the chemical one. It's been sitting out here on the north side, facing the north side. This was done with chemical 2. And this was done with the third chemical. All three have been staying straight up, facing the north side. So you guys can kind of see which one is giving the best results. So just curious, which